Hello my lovelies, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel Manisha Fashionista, and I hope you all are doing extremely well. If you are new here, I am Manisha and I talk about fashion, beauty and lifestyle in my videos. This video I am going to talk about my hair care routine, what products I use, what regime I follow and how frequently I use all the products. For more detail, let's get into the video. So let me share you my hair care routine. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that bell icon and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook. All the links are in description below. Do check the links. Recently have announced my giveaway, so do participate. So let me tell you and share about my hair care routine that बहुत लोगों ने पूछा है मेरे बालों के बारे में. आपके बाल बिल्कुल फ्रिजी नहीं लगते हैं, आपके बाल बहुत अच्छे हैं, स्ट्रेट है. ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग मेरे बालों का टेक्सचर straight ही है because of my mother and father. Probably I got grace and luckily because of my father and mother हम तीनों भाई बहन के बाल बड़े अच्छे हैं and quality बहुत अच्छी है. With weather and all that changes होते रहते हैं but we are blessed with good hair quality. Now talking about my hair care routine, basically I'm following this routine since like childhood. जो मेरे ब्यूटी टिप्स है या मैं हेयर केयर रूटीन है या मैं एक पर्सन भी एक जो हाइजीन चीज़ें जो मैं फॉलो करती हूँ, ये मेरी मॉम की तरफ से हम लोगों को आया है. आई मीन माई मॉम हैज़ बीन दिस पर्सन. उन्होंने हमें ये सब हैबिट्स डाली है फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई फॉलो माई स्किन केयर रूटीन सो प्रॉपरली, माई हेयर केयर रूटीन सो प्रॉपरली. सिंस स्कूल टाइम मुझे ऑयलिंग हेयर में करना पसंद है प्रॉपरली. Without that I can't survive. Shampoo time to time or either small things, either it's skin care, either it's normal basic hygiene things. So because of my mom, because of her telling us all to follow all these, वो अपने आप बचपन से आ गया है हम लोगों में. Because of that I still follow and I don't feel it कि it's like a work or it's like a routine or anything. वो मेरे लाइफस्टाइल का एक पार्ट ही हो गया है बचपन से. सो वो मेरे लिए इतना हार्ड नहीं होता है जैसे बहुत लोगों के लिए होता है कि आई डोंट फॉलो अ पर्टिकुलर स्किन केयर रूटीन और इवन हेयर केयर रूटीन. सो दिस इज रियली वेरी बेसिक and this has been with me since childhood, if I can say that. So it's like that. So see, जैसे skin care एक subjective topic है, वैसे hair care is also a subjective topic because hair texture, hormonal balance or even your intake of food, it also depends on what kind of routine you're following, what products or what regime you're following, how frequently you wash your hair. Everything depends and everything works hand in hand. आपका खाना proper होना चाहिए, आपकी हॉर्मोनल बैलेंस सही होना चाहिए. सो ये हेयर केयर का एक बहुत बड़ा पार्ट है. इट्स जस्ट नॉट आपने ऑयलिंग कर लिया, इट्स इनफ. सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू व्हाट प्रोडक्ट्स आई यूज एंड व्हाट regime I follow for my hair care. So my first product is oiling. I frequently do oiling like twice a week or once a week. So currently I'm using sage apothecary neem oil and onion oil. So alternatively मैं लगा लेती हूँ ये and I prefer to apply oiling in night and leave it overnight and I wash it next day. Or even if I forget, sometimes I apply on the same day for a few hours and I wash it. Twice a week or even once a week is enough for me. I apply it that way. So the first step is oiling. I do it twice a week or once a week. So if I once skip oiling in a week, the second product which I apply is a hair mask. So this hair mask is from Plum, Olive and Macadamia. So what I do is, in a week if I have applied oil on Sunday, what I'll do is on Thursday or Wednesday I'll apply a hair mask and wash my hair. So this is how I use mask and oiling. I use alternatively between hair oil or hair mask. So this is what and how I use it. With this, after hair mask or oiling, I prefer to wash my hair by shampoo. Everybody know what shampoo I'm currently using, as everybody must have seen my haul video. So my current shampoo is from Wow. So I'm using this shampoo. After oiling or hair mask, I prefer to wash my hair through a shampoo. With that, I use a conditioner. I apply conditioner on top of my hair and leave it for 15-20 minutes while shower. So this is how I use a conditioner. After conditioner and shampoo, I prefer to use a serum. This is from Streaks Pro Serum. जब मेरे बाल like 90-80% गीले होते हैं तो I try to apply on top of my hair and just comb it off so that मेरे hair frizzy ना हो. In case if I don't use or apply this, a second product which I use is a Pantene Open Hair Care Miracle. So this is the product which I use. Suppose अगर मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया है serum, so I prefer to use this oil replacement. ये मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने मुझे recommend किया था and I've started using and I really like it and I love it. It smells beautiful. It's very nice. अभी भी मुझे बहुत अच्छी लग रही है खुशबू, बहुत प्यारी खुशबू है इसकी. So this is also a must after hair, after shampoo and conditioner. You need to apply anything works with you. Use that one because this I have been using since very long time, and this I have been using from a year or so probably. Because of her recommendation, I have started using this and I love it. This is what products I use for my hair care routine and this is how I apply accordingly. इससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ भी हेयर में अप्लाई नहीं करती हूँ एंड मेरे हेयर इतने फ्रिजी इसीलिए नहीं है क्योंकि मेरा टेक्सचर ही एंड हेयर का क्वालिटी ही वैसा है, स्ट्रेट है. प्रॉपर स्ट्रेट नहीं कहूँगी मैं, बट देन है इजीली मैनेजेबल है मेरे हेयर. सो बट ये सब बहुत काम करता है मेरे बालों में. सो आई हाईली रेकमेंड कि अगर आप लोग हेयर केयर रूटीन में ये सब नहीं यूज़ करते हैं, इनमें से कुछ भी स्किप करते हैं, तो प्लीज़ अप्लाई कीजिए, यूज़ कीजिए. हेयर शैम्पू जितना इम्पॉर्टेंट है उतना ही ऑयल इम्पॉर्टेंट है हमारे बालों के लिए. वैसे ही सेम कंडीशनर बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है हमारे बालों के लिए. सबका एक रोल होता है हमारे बालों के लिए. सो यू नीड टू यूज़ इट अकॉर्डिंगली एंड with all the products you get something or the other for your hair. So with everything is important for your hair and every product is important for your hair. In case you are more into home remedies, go with home remedies. आप हेयर मास्क बना सकते हैं. मैंने एक हेयर मास्क पे एक वीडियो भी बनाया है. You can go and watch that video as well. और आप वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपने हेयर मास्क के लिए. For all hair type and all hair issues, you have all type of hair mask, hair conditioner, shampoos. You have a lot of things in the market. So you need to pick and choose accordingly and you need to follow some or the other hair care routine according to your hair type and your requirement. ये मैं बार बार इसलिए कहती हूँ ताकि आप लोग एक रूटीन बनाइए हर चीज़ के लिए. इतना हार्ड नहीं है, बट इफ़ यू स्टार्ट स्लोली सारे रूटीन, चाहे वो स्किन हो, हेयर हो, धीरे धीरे स्टार्ट कीजिए या चीज़ें अप्लाई करना स्टार्ट कीजिए. वो अपने आप दैट विल बिकम अ हैबिट इन योर रिजीम. सो वो फॉलो करने में काफ़ी ईजी हो जाता है. सो दिस इज़ वॉट आई यूज़ फॉर माई हेयर, नथिंग एल्स. हाँ, व्हेन आई डू स्ट्रेटनिंग और एनीथिंग आई अप्लाई, there is one serum again for hair straightening, and if I'm doing some hairstyle I go for spray or anything like that. If you ask me about hair care routine, so these are the product which I'm using currently and products change होते रहते हैं but जो regime होता है वो same होता है. मैं week में once I'll oil or once I'll use mask, shampoo, conditioner, serum. This is the routine which I follow. I've been following since long time, from childhood you can say. So that is why I have a good quality hair. And right now I've also applied L'Oreal hair color which is dark brown. So yeah, I keep on coloring my hair. This is what I follow for my hair care routine and these are the products which I've shown you I use for my hair care. So that's it for this video. I hope this helps you and you can start your own hair care routine. And if you want, I can show you a deep hair care routine wherein I'm applying everything and I can show you how to apply oil or how to apply a hair mask. So I again make a video and show you in depth. So till then, keep watching my videos and don't forget to participate in my giveaway. Don't forget to give a big fat thumbs up to this video. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And please go and check my website too. Thank you for watching.